সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলি আসন্ন আইসিসি ওয়ানডে বিশ্বকাপের জন্য তার শীর্ষ 5টি দলের ভবিষ্যৎবাণী করেছেন। আন্তর্জাতিক ক্রিকেট কাউন্সিল একদিনের আন্তর্জাতিক বিশ্বকাপ দিন দিন যতই কাছে আসছে, ক্রিকেট প্রেমীরাও আর শান্ত থাকতে পারছে না। বিভিন্ন বিশেষজ্ঞ এবং সাবেক ক্রিকেটারদের কাছ থেকে টান টান প্রতিক্রিয়া আসছে। একবার কিংবদন্তি দাদা ওরফে সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলি আসন্ন টুর্নামেন্টের জন্য তার সেরা 5টি দলের ভবিষ্যৎবাণী করেছেন।
It's hard to say which four or which five will make it, but I presume Australia will be one. England is a good side. India, Pakistan. Don't rule New Zealand out. New Zealand has always done well in big tournaments. Then there is South Africa. But if you ask my best 5 teams at the moment, it's Australia, India, England, Pakistan and New Zealand.
Whom do you want to see as a wicket keeper?
Well, Pant is injured. Pant is out of the World Cup. He's probably the best wicket keeper in the country, but he's injured. And there is lots of talent. You can look at Ishan Kishan. You can look at KL Rahul. Depends on his fitness. I think these two will be right up in Dravid's and Rohit Sharma's mind. And one of them will actually keep. I like Ishan Kishan because he just opens up the game. He just opens up the game for any team he plays. And I'm sure Rahul Dravid will keep him in his plans.
Virat Kohli needs to concentrate on Test cricket after the World Cup. He should stay away from T20 cricket so as to prolong his career.
Why?
Do you think?
Virat Kohli should play whatever cricket he wants to play because he performs. And that sports company is yours only.
How crucial will it be for Bumrah in the next 1.5 months?
Very crucial. I saw him bowling at the nets. I'll be watching the Ireland tour. I was speaking to some of the players at the NCA and they said that he's at his best. That's great news for India. So Bumrah, Shami, Shiraz, that's a fantastic attack. Jadeja, Pandya, Akshar, Chahal, Kuldeep, they have enormous talent.